Welcome to my channel.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making easy butter cookies. We need three major ingredients: sugar, butter, and your flour. Let's get started. You can use the confectioner's sugar or the regular sugar. I'm using the regular sugar. 4 ounces of butter or 1 stick. Then you cream it. You mix it till it's really creamy. You can actually do this with your wooden spoon. Now we're adding half teaspoon of salt, your vanilla extract. This is 1 tablespoon of that, or a little less, and keep mixing until it's as fluffy as you want it. One cup of flour, then you add half cup of cornstarch. It's good. It gives the butter cookie a creamy feel in the mouth. We're gonna be using this piping bag to pipe it, but if you do not want to do it this way, you want to cut it, use cookie cutter, you will need to freeze it. You will need to freeze it. Actually, whether you're piping or not, it's good to freeze it, or else you will have the cookies melt, kind of spread in the oven before you bring it out. Right now, I do not plan to refrigerate it first. I hope it comes out good. Yeah, it might not come as good, but let's see what happens. But it's always better to refrigerate it so that it does not start melting before it's fully brown. If you do not have this piping bag, a regular Ziploc bag or any other kind of plastic bag would do. You just make a hole at the tip, attach your nozzle. I'm trying not to spread it so that I could have something not so spread or melted inside, because I do not plan to refrigerate it. I will be baking it at 350-degree temperature for 20 minutes. Now it's all done. They are quite melted, kind of spread. You cannot see all the shapes of the design well. It's always better to freeze it before bake so that it does not spread so quickly in the oven and kind of melt. So this is it. 3 major ingredients: sugar, butter, and flour. Thank you for watching. See you back soon. Bye bye.